Question is, a bob of mass m is suspended by a light string of length L. It is imparted a horizontal velocity v0 at the lowest point A such that it completes a semicircular trajectory in the vertical plane, with the string becoming slack only on reaching the topmost point C. This is shown in figure. Obtain an expression for first VO, right? So VO that we need to find, that is kinetic energy formula. So half mVO square. Now we are finding for the lowest point A, right? So total energy there, that is half mVO square is equal to, see, at that instant we don't have any potential energy, we only have kinetic energy, right? So half m va square plus that 2 m into g, because here Ta will be the same as the mass, right? So then half m v0 square is equal to half m into va square, that will be in the form of g, right? So half mg into 2 mg, so half mv0 square is equal to here that will be, yes, 5 mg by 2. So 5 m by 2 gets cancelled out, right? So we are left with v is equal to under root 5 g into L. So speed v0, right? So v0 here is equal to under root 5 gl. Now speed at point B and C. So total energy half mv0 square is equal to half m vb square plus for B m g L, right? Now half mvb square that we need to find. So half mvb square is equal to half m, now v0 square is 5 gl plus minus, yes, minus mgl. So half mvb square is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1, right? So 3 by 2 g m L, gets cancelled out, 2 gets cancelled out, so vb is equal to under root 3 gl, that is our vb, speed on B position, right? Now for vc, so half m vc square, as you can see that here only we need to find mgl. So gets cancelled out, we are left with only vc is equal to under root 2 gl, right? So for C, there is centrifugal force is completely covered by weight of that, so mvc square upon L is equal to mg. So only gets cancelled out, so here vc square is equal to gl, so that's why vc is equal to under root gl, right? So that is speed on position C, not under root 2 gl, right? This is the correction, vc is equal to under root gl only. Now we need to find ratios, right? So first kb is half m vb square, so half m, and vb is nothing but that 3 gl upon kc, half mvc square, so 1 by 2 m gl. So this gets cancelled out, gg gets cancelled out, so here we are left with 3 has to 1. So kb upon kc is 3 has to 1, right? And comment on the nature of the trajectory. Now another question. So see here. So comment on the nature of the trajectory of the bob after it reaches the point C, right? So nature of the trajectory of the bob after it reaches the point C, that nature, if during that portion if string will be come out, right, it will be like parabola, like in this direction, right? So okay, it is going in upward direction, sorry for that. So it is going in this upward direction. So nature of the trajectory of the bob after it reaches the point C, the trajectory will in if it cut it out at C, it will fall down directly, but after some instant it will cut it down, then it will going in parabola direction. So at the point of C, if the string will cut it out, it will going in this direction, right? Left hand side direction. So left hand side direction, if we cut this string at the C position, right? So at the C position, it will going left hand side direction, not downward direction, because that string have only velocity in left hand side direction. So it will going in that direction, in that with gravitational force. So it will be like in this direction.